In this video, I will show you how to use Google Gemini Live on Android device. First, open Google Play Store and search for Google Gemini app. Make sure it is updated to the latest version. If it's not, tap on the update option. After that, open the Gemini app, log into your account. Now on the main screen, look for the live button or the microphone icon near the bottom of the screen. Tap it to start a live voice conversation with Gemini. If it's your first time using Gemini Live, allow the required permissions, including microphone access. You may be prompted to set Gemini as your default digital assistant. You can follow the prompts or skip this step. Once Gemini Live starts, simply speak your question naturally. You can ask for help with writing, translation, travel planning, coding, homework, brainstorming ideas, and much more. Gemini will respond using its voice, and you can continue the conversation naturally without tapping the microphone for every purpose. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.